hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control, which is HIRAC, is a systematic approach used in occupational safety and health (OSH) to identify workplace hazard, evaluate risk, and implement effective control measures to prevent accident and occupational disease. In any workplace, hazards such as machinery, chemicals, biological agents, and ergonomic factors can pose risk to workers if not properly managed. HIRAC helps employers and employees recognize these hazards early, assess the likelihood and severity of potential harm, and take appropriate action to reduce risk to an acceptable level.
This infographic poster is specifically designed to assist new safety and health officers in understanding the fundamental concepts of hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control, which is HIRAC. By presenting information in a clear and structured format, the poster helps beginners understand HIRAC principles more quickly and confidently, especially during their early training or induction. The poster breaks down the HIRAC process into 6 well-organized sections, including hazard identification, risk assessment, risk control, legal requirements, and expected outcomes. This systematic approach allows users to follow the HIRAC process step by step, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of how risks are identified, assessed, and controlled in the workplace. To enhance comprehension, the poster uses simple and clear language, supported by icons, color-coded visuals, and a risk matrix. These visual elements help users quickly recognize hazard levels, severity, and likelihood, making complex safety information easier to understand and remember, even for those with limited safety experience. The infographic poster includes a QR code linked to a Google form, which supports interactive learning beyond passive reading. Users can scan the QR code to answer the short questions, provide feedback, or complete simple assessments. This feature encourages active participation, improve engagement, and allow trainers or organizations to evaluate users' understanding of HIRAC effectively.
For the Objective 1, identify common workplace hazards. This objective helps participants recognize physical, chemical, biological, and ergonomic hazards commonly found at workplace, enabling early detection before accidents occur. For Objective 2, select appropriate control measures using the hierarchy of controls. Participants learn how to choose the most effective risk controls, prioritizing elimination and engineering controls over administrative measure and PPE. For the last objective, which is Objective 3, relates hazards to legal duties under OSHA 1994 and Amendment 2022. This ensures participants understand employer and SHO responsibilities, strengthening legal compliance and professional accountability.
First, build strong safety fundamentals. Introduce core concept, hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control. Help new SHOs understand how workplace accident can be prevented. Second, practical and easy to apply. For example, simple likelihood times severity approach is easy for beginners. It can be applied immediately during site inspection and daily safety rounds. Next, align with legal duties. Malaysia. Reinforce SHO responsibilities under Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, Act 514. Prepares new SHO for compliance, audit, and enforcement expectation. Then, support key SHO tasks used in job safety analysis, JSA, toolbox meeting and accident investigation, guide selection of control using the hierarchy of control. Next, enhance confidence and communication. It provides a structured method to explain risk to workers and supervisors. Improves confidence in giving safety advice and recommendation. Finally, foundation for professional growth. Serve as a baseline skill for advanced risk management tool. It actually encourages proactive prevention-based safety thinking.
The expected impact of this learning material is focused on improving both knowledge and practice in workplace safety. First, it aims to improve understanding of the HIRAP process. Safety and health officers will be able to clearly identify hazard, assess risk, and select the appropriate control measure. Second, it supports enhanced workplace safety culture by encouraging consistent application of risk management. The material also helps to reduce the accidents and also promote safer work practices. Third, it increases legal compliance. By highlighting Malaysian occupational safety and health regulation, the poster helps the organisation to meet their obligation. In addition, the QR code features promotes the active engagement and continuous learning. It also helps to provide feedback and complete the self-assessment and reinforce their understanding. Finally, the knowledge gained is highly practical and can be immediately applied during workplace inspection, toolbox talks, induction programs, and safety briefings.